Well-known industry insider Ming-Chi Kuo, who specializes in Apple products, unexpectedly revised his optimistic outlook for the commercial success of the second revision of the compact iPhone SE. Now the insider is sure that the company will not succeed with the help of the new state employee. In a letter sent to Apple investors, Kuo revised his own forecasts made earlier. In his opinion, by the end of 2020, the company will sell no more than 20 million iPhone SE2, and with a successful marketing policy, 30 million. Earlier, the analyst predicted that sales would amount to 40 million copies. However, soon everything changed, and this was influenced by several factors. For example, the company will have to fight with competitors who will offer customers more powerful models of smartphones for the same price tag. In addition, Android is now starting to gain momentum due to sales of Xiaomi and Huawei smartphones. And the last problem, the new SE2 will not be as compact as the legendary SE. This will play a key role, so the Apple Corporation should reconsider its views on the expected SE2.